Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate destination for making those tough purchasing decisions a whole lot easier. Today, we're putting two high-flying contenders head-to-head in a drone showdown. On the left, we have the Bwine F7GPS drone, a fancy flying machine with all the bells and whistles. And on the right, the DJI Mini 2 SE, the compact yet mighty drone that could fit in your pocket, if your pocket was the size of a small backpack. Let's get this aerial battle started. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bwine F7GPS will set you back a cool $501. That's right, folks, you could either buy this drone or pay your rent. Your choice. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 2 SE comes in at a more budget-friendly $279. With the money you save, you can buy yourself a nice dinner or, another drone. Winner for your wallet? Clearly, the DJI Mini 2 SE. Now let's zoom in on the cameras. The Bwine F7GPS boasts a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom. It's like having a Hollywood director in the sky. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers a solid camera but lacks the gimbal stability and zoom. It's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a decent YouTube vlog. If you're all about that cinematic flair, Bwine takes the cake. Or should I say, the sky. Reviewers praise the Bwine F7GPS for its outstanding 4K video quality and stable camera, making it a favorite for those looking for high-quality footage. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE still impresses with its camera quality, but it's better suited for those looking for great performance at a lower price point. Flight time is where things get interesting. Bwine promises a total of 50 minutes with 2 batteries. Sure, it takes 6.5 hours to charge, so you might want to start now if you plan on flying by next week. DJI Mini 2 SE, on the other hand, gives you 31 minutes per battery, and if you grab the combo, you get up to 93 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 93 minutes. That's like watching the extended cut of The Lord of the Rings in the sky. Reviewers love the extended flight time of the DJI Mini 2 SE, making it perfect for longer sessions. Let's talk wind resistance. Bwine F7GPS can handle level 6 winds, making it the Hercules of drones. DJI Mini 2 SE can withstand winds up to 30 km per hour, which is like a gentle breeze compared to a hurricane. So if you're planning to film in a tornado, Bwine's got your back. Otherwise, DJI should be just fine for your average windy day. Reviewers have praised the DJI Mini 2 SE for its stability in windy conditions, though it's not as robust as the Bwine F7GPS. When it comes to range, Bwine offers a 10,000 feet transmission range. That's almost 2 miles, folks. Great for spying on your neighbors. Just kidding. Don't do that. DJI Mini 2 SE also promises a 10 kilometers range, which is basically the same but sounds way cooler because it's in kilometers. So it's a tie here. Both are excellent for exploring the world from above. Reviewers appreciate the strong signal of the DJI Mini 2 SE even at high altitudes. Finally, let's talk about user-friendliness. Bwine has a plethora of features like GPS auto-return, Follow Me, and waypoints, but it might require a PhD to operate. DJI Mini 2 SE is designed for beginners, with a return-to-home function that ensures you won't lose your new toy. If you're new to the drone game, DJI is like your drone training wheels. Reviewers particularly recommend the DJI Mini 2 SE for adult beginners due to its ease of use and intuitive controls. Overall, reviewers are impressed with both drones, but for different reasons. The Bwine F7GPS is praised for its high-quality build, impressive 4K camera, and robust wind resistance, making it ideal for more advanced users who want top-notch footage. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, impressive flight time, and solid performance in windy conditions, making it perfect for beginners and those on a budget. So there you have it. The Bwine F7 GPS is like the Swiss Army knife of drones, packed with features but a bit pricey and complex. The DJI Mini 2 SE is your go-to for simplicity, portability, and saving a few bucks. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.